Good morning, guys. My name is Prakash Saja. Today, me and my team going to do an interview with Public Enforcer Officer for our assignment. Okay, shall we go into the video? Thank you.
Hi, good morning. This is Darshini Anna Purukwan Lichmanan from DM Batch 18A. Today we are going to interview and retire Army Officer Nadasan Analaki Parmasivam. Hi sir, I'm Darshini. I'm from Newton College. Today I'm going to interview. You have to answer my questions. I have section B and section C questions, key questions. The section B is you have to answer yes or no, and the section C is your opinion. Host.
My name is Nadasan Parmasivam. I joined the forces 1962. I served as 22 years in the service. I retired as a warrant officer to 1983 March.
Did you think ethics is important for works in your life?
Yes.
Yes. Ethics is really a major thing in every enforcer life.
Yes.
If an enforcer did not follow the ethics in work, did you think it considered wrong?
Yes.
Now we go to section C. From your point of view, what is ethics on work?
You have to follow the rules. When the superior before us, you have to follow the rules. If you never follow the rules, then you have some stubbornness. You have to suffer that. Then sometimes the order is the most important, verbal order. Verbal order is the most important than they give the written orders. When the wartime until they cannot give the written orders, they verbal order. Verbal order, you must follow the orders. When the right or wrong, you have to follow.
Should we go to second question? Have you ever suffered in your career for doing what was right?
Yes, I suffer. Because sometimes you argue with officers. Then we think the officer giving the wrong orders. You never follow it. It will affect our promotion. Then you won't recommend. When the time comes, constantly. When promotion time, they won't give the promotion. So you have to suffer for that. Sometimes you have to wait for 3 years, 4 years, another officer say. That is the problem. That is the problem.
Did you think every enforcer in Malaysia do their job by following the ethics?
No.
No. Why?
Because 50% of the people they follow the orders. Another 50% they never follow the orders. Even government department or anything. Every government department. When the order they never follow the order. Some is they really hard workers, some they lazy. So because of that we cannot say that everybody is wrong or not. 50%, 50%. 50% is not wrong, 50% is right. The workers are really hard workers. So you don't need to give orders. They know their work. Some people they just come out with a recommendation and all these things. They take it easy because they don't want to do the work. If anything my officer is the problem. They're pretty I think. That's really it.
Okay, so that's all. Thank you so much for your time.
Hello, my name is Navin. I'm going to interview a guard officer named Vigneshwaran. Okay, sir, your first question.
Yeah.
Do you think ethics is important for works in your life?
Yes, it is very important for me and others also.
Second question. Ethics is really a major thing in every enforcer life.
Yes, and it is a good thing.
So if an enforcer did not follow the ethics in work, do you think it's considered wrong?
Yeah, it is very wrong.
This is your fourth question.
Yeah.
From your point of view, what is ethics on work?
Ethics is an attitude of determination and dedication toward one's job. Those with strong work ethics place a higher value of their professional success.
That was a good answer. Fifth question. Have you ever suffered in your career for doing what was right?
Yes, I got suffer because on that situation I might lose my job because it's very dangerous and serious.
Yes, sir, this is your last question. Do you think every enforcer in Malaysia do their job by following the ethics?
Enforcers are doing their job, following their ethics. Because comparing to other countries, Malaysia's enforcers are much better than them. That's why public in Malaysia are safety. That's it. That's all.
For the interview, thank you for watching.
Yeah, thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Hari Prasad Tanabala. I'm from Newton College. My ID number is DN041968. Today I'm going to talk about ethics and professions by interviewing our guest, Soin Warma. So sir, I'm going to ask one question about it, so you need to answer. What is ethics?
Ethic is concerned with what is good for individual and society and is also described as moral philosophy.
Okay, sir. What is ethics on work and what is the difference between ethics on work and ethics on life?
Work ethics is a belief that hard work and diligence, different between ethic work and life is personal responsibility, are values that can help you behave ethically. Although ethic work is important of work and it has inherent ability to strengthen character.
Okay, sir. How important the ethics in the enforcer job or other job? How?
Workplace ethic cut to happy and satisfied employee who enjoy coming to work. Employee also develop a feeling of loyalty and attachment towards the organization.
Okay. Did you think every enforcer in Malaysia do their job by following their ethics, sir? How?
Yes, ethical standards are principles that when followed they will promote some value. The resulting damage can easily outweigh the short-term gains.
Thank you for the cooperation, sir. We will give that.
Okay, let me start our interview. Let me give your intro, please.
My name is Vani Sri and I'm 50 years old, working as a clerk.
Okay, let me ask some question.
Okay.
What is ethics?
Ethic is a code of moral standard of conduct for what is good or right.
Okay, what is ethics on work and what is the difference between ethics on work and ethics on life?
Ethic on work is shows responsibility and good habits. Different on their one ethic on work and life is always be straight on their responsibility.
Okay, how important ethics in enforcer job and other job? How?
Ethics is very important in enforcer because they are most powerful and full responsibility people in a country.
Did you think every enforcer in Malaysia do their job by following the ethics?
Yes,
How?
they do their job by following the ethics. They put full effort on their job.
Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Welcome.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Patrick Sharma from Union College. So I'm currently doing an assignment about ethics. So based on that assignment, I would like to ask some questions with you.
Please.
So what's your name, ma'am? What's your age? So what are you doing? I mean, your job.
Working at home.
Shall we go inside our question? So my first question is, what is ethics?
Ethics is a moral principle that promotes the personal benefit of the conducting of active and branch of knowledge that intervene moral principles.
So my second question, what is ethics on work and what is the difference between ethics on work and ethics on life?
Work ethics is that hard work and diligence have a moral benefit and ability of value.
My third question is, how important of ethics in enforcer job and other jobs?
Basic principles ethics can help use a more fulfill life whenever a personal level.
So last question, the fourth question is, did you think every enforcer in Malaysia do their job by following the ethics?
Yeah, they do job following the ethics. They go job doing and safe.
Hi, my name is Janigara. I'm coming from Victor College. Currently, I'm doing an assignment, so I have to take an interview. So, can I take an interview? My first question is, what is the ethic?
Etika merupakan salah satu cara utama filsafat yang merangkumi kelakuan betul dan kehidupan yang baik.
Second question is, what is ethics on work and what is the ethics different between ethics work and ethics on life?
The meaning of work ethics is a belief that hard work and diligence have a moral benefit and an inherent ability. And the difference between ethics on work and ethics on life is personal ethics refers to the ethics that a person identifies with in respect to people and situations that they deal with in everyday life. Professional ethics refers to the ethics that a person must adhere to in respect of their interactions and business dealing in their professional life.
Okay, my third question is, how important ethics in enforcement job and other jobs?
The important is to serve the community, to safeguard life and property, to protect the innocent against deception, the weak against oppressions or intimidation, and the peaceful against violence or disorder.
My last question is, did you think every enforcer in Malaysia do their job by following ethics and how?
Yes. For example, currently we are facing COVID-19 virus problem, but our enforcement officers do a great job by following ethics and control the case by this.
Thank you.